lalo na sa Sulu and Zamboanga, ay basically, ang conclusion sa parehong hearing ay ayaw nilang sumama sa BBM at ayaw nilang included sila sa BBM dahil for various reasons. Iba't iba. Sa Zamboanga, dahil sa palagay nila, hindi naman sila contiguous at malayo na sila at hindi naman practical at hindi naman tama na sila isama. Sa Sulu naman, ay kanilang sinasabi is that they are a different tribe. They are Tausug. They are not Maranao or Maguindanao. They belong to the Sultanate of Sulu, and they have been supportive of the MNLF. Kaya naman sa palagay nila, hindi rin sila dapat kailangan isama. At ang kanilang sinasabi ay mahirap silang sumang-ayon o hindi sumang-ayon dahil wala namang naging konsultasyon sa kanila tungkol dito sa BBM. Kaya hindi pa nila alam kung ano ba talaga ang sinasabi ng gobyerno na isusuportahan.
Sir, ano yung next step niyo po? Ngayon,
I'm sorry?
Ano po yung next step niyo? Kasi ngayon
From here, I'm going to the Senate to conduct a hearing with the MNLF.
Hindi, sir, doon po marami po tumututol. Sa tingin niyo,
Maraming?
Tumututol po sa BBL. Sa tingin niyo, sir, paano po magkakaroon ng kapayapaan sa pamagitan ng BBL kung marami po tumututol?
Dahil sa palagay ng maraming mga nagsasabi, hindi naman BBL ay sapat na para makamtan ng kapayapaan. At isa na rin ako doon. Dahil aking sinasabi na kailangan natin kausapin ang lahat ng iba't ibang grupo na stakeholder na hindi nakausap sa proseso ng negosasyon sa gitna ng negosasyon ng framework, comprehensive agreement at saka framework agreement sa gitna ng Republika ng Pilipinas at saka ng MNLF. Kaya nga ngayon ay magkakaroon nga ng hearing sa MNLF para naman mabigyan pansin ang kanilang mga iniisip tungkol dito.
Sino pa palagay niyo mas din na yung chance?
When it worked out. I have no idea. That was the process that was undertaken. It was a very exclusive process, only included the MINF and nobody else. So it is not. It was a very exclusive process and not an inclusive one.
Senate's political season na nag-reapply na yung mga tambalan. What are your plans for 2016?
I have many plans for 2016.
You're running.
Which one? Of course, I'm running. I'm not just retiring from public service. I am running, but again, there have been many suggestions as to what I should run for. So I thank them. I thank everyone for their support and encouragement. But I think that, as you say, the political season has only just begun.
But you're aiming for the presidency or the vice presidency?
I have said I have not made any. The political season has just begun. We have not made any conclusions yet.
So when would you decide, sir?
There's no time.
Before the primary, that's all. Sa mga July.
Sir, Duterte Marcos
I cannot answer you because whatever question you throw at me, ganun pa rin eh. We are just beginning the political season. Political season. No buts. It's the beginning of the political season, and therefore the thinking, consultation, examination, assessment is also just.
Who are you talking to? Meron na ba?
I talk to everyone that I possibly can.
For your, sa mga tambalan, senator, wala pa?
Well, I am a senator. I go around, I talk to 1,000 people every day, and I take their advice.
Sir, Marcos Duterte tandem. Marcos Duterte tandem. Will you consider that?
Okay. Well, isipin natin. Tignan natin. Yung patuloy talaga ng modernization ng ating PNP dahil alam naman natin na ito ay napakahalaga sa susunod na importante sa trabaho ng ating ang taong bayan ay lagi pa rin inaasahan na ang pulis ay nandiyan ang ating crime lab. At maganda ang tulungan sa PNP, sa crime lab at sa ating mga private citizens at sa private sector.
Senator, going back na lang sa still na ba yung chance na maging legacy ito ni President Administration? Gahol na ba?
I think everything that has happened already is already going to be part of the legacy of this administration. What that is it to the good? Is it not? That will remain to be seen. But all of this commotion, including Mama Sakalu, including the exclusion of all of the other parties, including the difficulties that we see in the BPL, that is part of their legacy. That is part of the legacy of this administration. So it is not for me to judge. History will do that. Okay.
Senator, matutuloy ba or ma-defeat yung deadline at she's sinasabi sa past ng BBL?
I don't recognize it. I don't know of any deadline. I don't know of any deadline. I don't know of any. I cannot predict dahil darating pa tayo sa floor at magkakadebate pa, magkakaroon ng series of amendments pa. So hindi natin masasabi kung kailan matatapos.